Good morning and welcome to Going to Work with Gena, which is an infomercial to inspire STEM students to continue to pursue science, technology, engineering, and math. This morning what I wanted to talk about STEM students is projects. Whenever you're doing a project, here at the Kennedy Space Center, whenever we do a project, we want to always consider the cost, the schedule, and resources that it would take to complete the project. And this, we normally think of all of this during our concept stage when we first get the idea. So I know that like a lot of design projects have to be done for those seniors that are actually in college about to graduate really. They have to do design projects to showcase their engineering skills, and they get to choose a discipline that they would like to concentrate on, and it's usually the discipline they're actually graduating in. And I know, for instance, too, that middle school, you all do projects, even elementary students. I've seen some elementary students doing their projects with PowerPoint or have you. Projects are so important, as that's the way most of our work is actually done here at the Kennedy Space Center. So like I said, they're focusing on cost, schedule, and resources. But not just that, it takes a team of engineers to make sure that project actually comes together. And so there are several disciplines of engineering. Like for instance, there is the industrial engineer, there's a mechanical engineer, there's an electrical engineer, there's a computer engineer, there's a chemistry engineer, there's a biomedical engineer. There are all these different types of engineering. So you have to kind of consider which one would you like to, which interests you the most. And how you actually determine that is you actually look at a particular project that you've worked on and try to focus on where have your interests mostly lied. Which field of study is your interest? Do you have more interest? And that's usually where you would choose to focus. So I want to just tell you, make sure that you stay focused on understanding all of the elements that goes into being an engineer, that there are different types. Thank you. That there are different types of engineering, and you will get a choice. So what I'm thinking that I should do too is I should bring to you the different type of engineers. So every day that we'll actually talk about not what it takes to be an engineer, but what actual jobs do we have here at the Kennedy Space Center, and what kind of projects do those discipline engineers actually do. Okay, so I want you to stay focused. Think about which discipline of engineering you have interest in, and I'll go ahead and give you some of the individual projects that those type of engineers would do. Also, too, there will also be a STEM day that I'm focusing on in Engineering Week within Seminole County at Seminole High School. So make sure you also come out to that so you can actually see engineers, minority engineers in those fields who are actually here at the Kennedy Space Center pursuing their goals and dreams. Thank you for going to work with Gena. Have a wonderful day.